So let's unbox this wig. I'm trying to do that. Do I look like her? Hey, what's up, YouTubers? A lady, a teenager, mature. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Happy New Year. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course, you know what to do. Give our video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, and share the video. And don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'll be popping another video. Guys, it's a new year, and what is the best way to start a new year other than unboxing a new wig? Guys, look at this wig. We're going to unbox this wig. This wig is a Naturali Star. It's by Zury. It's by Zury, yes. Naturali Star is by Zury. It's 100% human hair, and it's 4B. It's a 1B. It's a 1B wig, and it's type 4A hair type. So you know we have type 4A, 4B, 4C, 3C, 3A. So the kind of this wig is type 4A wig. So we are going to unbox this wig, and it's a short wig, and we're going to unbox it. So it's a sister wig, Zury, by Zury. So the ones that I have, the wig that I have here right now is a Naturali by Janet Collection. If you did not watch this video where I unboxed this wig, I'm telling you guys, this wig is so amazing, I tell you. So go to my channel, look for this kind of video that I uploaded there, and watch that video. You will love this wig. If you are the kind of person who loves to wear wigs, so you will love this wig. It's a Naturali, okay? It's a fro kinky cane. So we are going to unbox this one today. So yes, and I'm going to try it actually. So let's do this. So this wig, actually, before I open it, you can find it in Amazon, or you can find it in a beauty shop, a beauty store near you. All you have to do is to ask this kind of wig, but for being convenient to you. So guys, I'm gonna put a link on my description box for this wig, and if you want to get it, you can go ahead and get it. I'm not promoting it, but it's something that I feel like if you like wigs, you can go ahead, and it's going to be easier for you to get it from the link. So we are going to unbox it. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. Are you even ready? I am so ready. This is my first time, so this is how it comes. You take this off, and then there you go. There you go. That's how it is. So I'm gonna start from here. I hope you guys can see. Oh, you open from up here. It's just up here. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Look at that. I can't wait to try it. And then you take it out the box. Look at that, guys. You take it out the box. There it is. There's the box. Bye-bye, box. There's the box, and it comes like this. Look at that, guys. Even the way, oh my goodness, the box this wig is so amazing. So outside here, I'm gonna take this off, of course, and they have this outside net over here. I love these little things they put here. So these things right here kind of hold the hair, you know. And it's a curly hair, so they have to be very careful to box this wig. So this is how the wig looks like. Inside, you take this thing off, and oh my world. So this is how the wig looks like from the back. And all it says here is 100% human hair, 4A, Natural Star. It's a 1B hair. 4AOB. So from the back, it says they give you instructions on how you are going to wash the hair, how you're going to take care of the hair. So, and yeah, that's how it is. So I'm gonna cut these so that we can go ahead and see how the hair looks like. I hope you guys can see. Let me get my scissors, and that's it. So I'm gonna cut this off. Take this thing out. Oh my world, the hair is so light. Look at that. It's a short hair, it's a short wig. I don't know, for some reason nowadays I love short wigs. So this is how it looks like from outside. Let's check inside. I usually love to check from inside. Oh my goodness, I love the detailing. Look at that. Look how inside is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And I love this comb they have here on the side. They have the side comb so that it can hold your hair. One side comb on this side. We take this out. This side comb and another side comb. So look at that. And I love this detailing here. And here on the bottom you can see Sissy, Zury. And they say 100% human hair, it's made in China. Yes, look at that. That's how it looks inside. So we are going to flip it and see how it looks like. Look at those curly detailing that they have there. Oh my goodness. The way I take care of my curls, I usually use water. You can use a spray. I'm going to show you what I use this. So what we're going to do, usually when I get this kind of hair, I shake it. I know it's not shake and go, but I just want to shake it a little bit so that we can try it, right? Yes, you shake it so that, look, when you shake it, look at those detailing of the curls, how they're divine curls here. Oh my goodness. So the moment of truth is here. We're going to try this wig. Let's go ahead and try it, guys. Okay. I just want to make sure it fits on my head. You can adjust here, this band here, according to your head size. So I feel like it's a little bit far from my size, so I'm going to adjust it a little bit because my head, I feel like it's not that large head. So I know how to adjust so that it can fit my hair. So I'm going to take this one off so that we can try this new Naturali star. Are you even ready? Are you ready for your girl? So let me take my wig off, guys. There you go. I love this wig too. So my naturally curly go away. So guys, I have a wig cap and a wig band. Oh my goodness, guys, if you don't have this wig band, you're missing out. If you're the person who loves to wear wigs, you have to have a wig band. You know, it holds your head, it holds the wig. I'm telling you, these wig bands, if you did not watch a video that the way I unbox this wig band, oh my goodness, go to my channel and check for this wig band. This one, I have the black one here and I have another one here. This is how they look like. And they come large and medium, so they can literally go around your hair, your head, the circumference of your head. And when you put the wig, they hold the wig so well. So guys, I'm just encouraging you, if you love to wear wigs, make sure you have this wig band with you. So I have the black one here and we are going to try this wig. I hope you guys can see. Let me move closer. So the moment of truth is here. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but let's do this. Oh my goodness, guys, what do you think? What do you think of this wig? I love this wig. I love that it has all those detailing little curls that I love, and it's so light, and it sure looks like a human hair, your real hair. Oh wow. So all you do is just to play with it. Let me come closer so y'all can see. You play with it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Let me turn from the back so y'all can see. You see, guys? Oh my word, guys. Look at that wig. The way it feels on my head. Oh wow. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Will you buy this wig? Will you buy this, I love this wig. It's just like my natural hair. And I don't know, for some reason it matches with my hair. My hair is pretty much the mixture of type 4C, 4B, kind of mixture, and even 4A. It's just a mixture. And I really feel good in this hair. I can rock this hair summer, winter, anywhere, work, church, anywhere. You can rock this wig. I love it for the fact that it's short. Oh my goodness. And the wig band in here, it's holding it. You can't even sweat in here, guys. You can't go wrong with this hair. I love this hair. I'm not promoting this hair, but I love it. I love it. If I can buy it over and over, for sure, I'll buy this hair. And guys, the way you take care of this hair, let me wear my glasses so I can read. Let me wear my glasses so I can read. How do I look with my glasses? So they say 4A, washing and care. They say wash in cool and lukewarm water. And guys, I'm reading from this. And number 2, use shampoo and brush gently with the fingertips. Usually I wash when I wash my wigs, I usually use my fingertips to kind of comb it out. Number 3, they say follow with conditioner and rinse thoroughly. Apply cream, rinse or wet look spray and as desired. Okay, number 4, they say part dry while using a white tooth comb, like this one here. Okay, comb, apply spray thoroughly. You can apply any spray you want. Usually I use my water, you know, to put mine, or sometimes I use this contour sheer butter leave-in conditioner. Oh my goodness, this thing, when you apply on your wigs, the curls, you can see how divine, how the curls comes out. So all you do with this, let me see, let me read first. Number 5, they say set and dry naturally and comb into a desired style after hair is completely dry. So whenever you wash your hair, after it dries, that's when you start doing all this combing, all this putting all this spray. So this is what I use for most of my wigs, and water actually, and sprays. Decided just a spray. You know, you want your wig to smell good, so you just want to go ahead and buy a spray that you want. Okay, so guys, what do you think of this wig? I love this wig so much, and I'll buy. So I'm gonna show you how I use this contour. You just take a little bit of contour sheer butter leave-in conditioner, and then you kind of apply on your curls. And oh my goodness, look, the curls, just look at those curls when you apply this. Look at that. It makes it so soft and really nice. When it dries, it makes all the curls stand out. But so far, oh my god, I love this wig. I love this wig, and I love my water. This is coconut water, but you can use plain water. You don't have to use coconut water. So far, the wig looks amazing. So I'm gonna give a wig 360 turn so you guys can see. And I love the bang here. You know, if you don't like the bang so much, as I told you before, you can cut it. If you don't like long bangs, you can go ahead and cut it. But if you like it like myself, it's okay for me to wear it like this. But the wig, oh my goodness, let me turn around so y'all can see how it looks from the back. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Oh, word. I love it. 360. You see this lady? She's closing out one eye. I'm gonna try to do that. Do I look like her? Oh well, guys, I love the wig. I'm gonna leave a link in my description box. Please, thank you so much, guys, for always coming to watch my channel, for always sharing my video, for always turning on those notification bell so that you know the next time I'll be uploading another video. And I hope this year brings you blessings. This year brings you everything that you ever dreamed of. Okay, let's continue watching Teenager Moto channel. Let's continue supporting the channel. And guys, I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.